Hello, my name is Marco. I'm the lead developer for the wishlist application for Facebook. I want to do a quick tutorial on how to use the application and explain what the application is all about. To first start off, this application is a basic wishlist. You can put anything from a product that you want to buy, let's say a new guitar, to an actual activity, go skydiving, kayaking, take a trip. It could be anything. So just get creative and share it with your friends. You can post it on your wall, comment about it. So anything that's kind of Facebook-like related, you can do it. So just have fun with it. To get to the application, you can do a search for wishlist on the Facebook search box bar. As you can see, there's many wishlist stuff on Facebook. But to get into the application, you go ahead and click Go to Application underneath the logo. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And the first thing you'll see is an installation page. You go ahead and click Allow. So this is your Create Wishlist page. Since I don't have, this is the first time I opened the application, I'm going to have an empty form for creating a new wish list. So I'm going to go ahead and create one called anything. I'm going to hit create. And that's it. That's my first wish list. Now, I'll explain the interface behind the whole thing. In the top right part, you have basic buttons. One is Friends with List, which will show you a list of all the friends that have the application installed. In that case, you can go into their wish list, look, comment, and just have fun with whatever they're doing. Add up the profile tab. This is really fun for people to look at your wish list without having to actually install the application. And set other permissions. You have a thumbnail. For every wish list, it will be the first item on the wish list. Right now that wish list is empty. As you can see, I have 0 items. But let's change that. Let's create something. Let's put something in there. On the right part of the list, you're going to have 4 actions. One is show the list. You can add items to the list. You can change the name to it, or you can delete it. I'm going to go ahead and click on add items. Like I said, this could be anything. It could be a trip. Let's say I want to take a trip to the Bahamas. I'm going to do that right now. Go trip to the Bahamas. Alright, great. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Once you create an item, it's going to ask you if you want to put that on your wall, if you want to share it with people. In this case, I do not want to share that right now because I want to put a picture in there. I forgot to put a picture. I want to skip that and then look at this page. Now this page has a lot more stuff. This page now has a little tab menu here that has show a list. You can go back to your list, create a new list, or add your items. As well, in the top part has 2 new buttons, one that's share item and share list. And this way you can send this to your friends. Let's say you have your birthday coming up and you have a really nice wish list you want to share with them. You just click the share list and send it to your friends, and they'll have an idea what to get you. So let's go ahead and look at the bottom part. You have an edit and delete button. So let's say you didn't like what you saw or what you wrote and you just want to delete it. Just hit the delete button and you get a confirmation. Just cancel that. But I want to add the picture. Let's hit an edit. Alright, so use a custom image. Here I can upload an image to my item. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I have a really cool Bahamas image that I want to use. So I'm just going to put that in there and save it. This will upload my image, put it in Facebook for me to share, and it's going to ask me if I want to share it now. So I'm going to go ahead and click and write. I want a trip to the Bahamas because I'm tired of working. Aren't we all? So publish that, and that's going to be on my wall. The bottom part has a comment page, a comment text area where you can just write comments as you would do in any normal Facebook application. And right now I'm going to go back and show all my lists. Once I'm back to my list, I can see that now I have a thumbnail with my first item. Let's say, not always I want to put something, upload my own image. Sometimes it's just something as trivial as a computer. It's very simple to get a MacBook image or like an iPod. Let's say I want to get a MacBook. I want to put that in my wish list. The good thing about this application is that it searches Amazon. So you can go ahead and just write MacBook, and then that would go and look at Amazon and see what are the MacBook images products that are available. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one, and that's going to be added to my wish list. It's going to bring the image from Amazon, put it in my Facebook, and then it's going to put it on my profile. I'm going to skip this for now, but now I have a click to purchase button that I can go to when I'm ready to go ahead and just buy my MacBook and just be happy. You can also edit that as we did before, change your product all completely, or you could just add other products that are similar. Let's say you want to add this sleeve because it's really nice to carry a sleeve instead of a laptop bag. Just go ahead and hit the add to list button. And that way you can add new stuff to your wish list dynamically and post them to your wall and have people comment on that. So I hope you guys like the application. Share it. Go to the application page. Hit like. Very important. Hit the like button and enjoy.